So you've joined Herbalife, and then you're wondering what's next. How can you go from 0 to 160 miles per hour? How can you take your business to the next level by doing some online methods instead of the traditional offline methods that Herbalife and other MLM businesses teach? Well, you've come to the right place. I have a surprise for you, and it's called attraction marketing and lead generation. You don't have to do the dinosaur methods of prospecting. You don't have to do the dinosaur methods of going to meetings or, going to the mall and looking for new people to come to your house, your home meeting, and things like that. You can leave all that where it is. You starting something new today, and that is you're going to learn how to do lead generation. Generate leads for your business. If you don't know what a lead is a potential business partner, a potential customer, anybody that you may partner with, or and they're people. Leads are people, potential people that you may be working with for years to come, maybe. So, guys, the best thing in order for your business to grow, first and foremost, you need traffic, you need leads, you need sales, right? In order for you to make money, you need to make a certain amount of sales. You need to get a certain amount of people in your downline, and you need to do it in a certain amount of time if you want to start making money fast, right? Now, this is what we teach here. We teach you how to position yourself in the ways where those people come looking for you instead of you going and searching for people. That's what you want. You want somebody who finds you, and you can be doing other stuff that are more important than looking for new people to join your business or looking for people to buy your products. You can set up a system to where though that's done for you. All you have to do is follow the steps, follow exactly what we tell you, and take action. It's that simple. Congratulations on taking your Herbalife business to the next level by clicking on that link below and getting started. You would definitely be happy that you did it. There's nothing like the internet. There's nothing like having your business strictly online. You can reach the masses from your living room, from your bedroom, from wherever it is that you are. You don't have to be anywhere but in front of your computer. Half the time you don't even have to be there once you get things going. So click on that link below, and I'll see you on the other side. Have a good night.